Hello everyone. This is a Professor Bairagi BK from Kekewag Art, Commerce, Science, Computer Science College, Chanduri, Department of Geography. On this today video lecture, I am presenting on bottom relief of Pacific Ocean, the chapter of the oceanography. As we know, the Pacific Ocean is the deepest and largest ocean on the Earth's surface. The Pacific Ocean covered 28% part of the world oceanic surface area. It is formed or 250 million years ago when the Pangea was break down. Its area 155 million square kilometer. The Pacific Ocean, its topography uneven because of there are many trenches, ridges, seamounts, gorge, ocean basins are located. The Pacific Ocean, also known as the Ring of the Fire, because of the many oceanic activities, many depressions are always happen under the Pacific Ocean surface area. Therefore, it's known as the Ring of Fire. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean on the Earth's surface, as we know earlier. Its area about the 155 million square kilometer. Its name derived from the Latin name. It's known peaceful areas, peaceful seas. The Portuguese explorer Magellan, who is a man who traveled all the world ocean. He's only one person who traveled the whole ocean in this world. The Pacific Ocean covered 46% earth water, about 1/3 area of the total surface area. The equator divided into the Pacific Ocean in two groups. The one is North Pacific and second is South Pacific Ocean. The overall shape of the ocean is almost triangular, as we seen in the map, whose vertices is situated is north and the edges of the Antarctic continent in south. The size of the Pacific Ocean is so massive, it's cover 1/3 part of the Earth's surface, approximately 165 million square kilometer. Extend about 15,000 kilometer from the north to south. The length of the Pacific Ocean is about the 60,000 kilometer. The depth of the ocean is 4,280 meters. It means 4 kilometer. The area of the major portion below in 4 to 5 kilometer, and less than 7% area below 100 meters or 1 kilometers. The Challenger Deep is the deepest part or deepest point of the ocean, which is situated in Mariana Trenches. The Northern Pacific Ocean represents the deepest part of the whole ocean. There are many more islands in Pacific Ocean. It may be 25,000 islands in Pacific Ocean. Most of the island found south of the part of equator. The eastern part of the Pacific, only few islands. The most of the island, their range between 30 degrees north to 30 degrees south, both the hemisphere. There are three categories of the Pacific Ocean: the continental island, the island of Ark, and smaller island. There are also west coast of the Pacific Ocean, three categories of the Iceland: Malaysia, Micronesia, and Polynesia. The Marginal Sea is nothing but it is a division of the Pacific Ocean where the found all the peninsular areas, archipelagic areas. The mostly found the western part of the ocean. It is very deep and narrow. In this area, the sea are very shallow. The continental shelf, it is a area which under the oceanic water along the eastern coast of the area. It's quite broad, extensive. The width is very different. It is 160 kilometer to 1600 kilometer. The depth of the ocean or continental shelf, it will be the 1000 to the 2000 meter. Average width is the 80 kilometer. The Pacific Ocean, mostly in Pacific Ocean, mostly submarine ridges are found east and coast area. Its depth 4000 meter extend New Zealand to California coast. These are formed because of the diversion, plate movement, and slip or spreading. The oceanic basin, the basin means the seabed, where the many ridges and rises are originate or the located. The basic which are following. The first is the Philippines basin, which is located east coast of the Pacific Philippines, extend south of Japan, 5 degree south latitude. The average depth of this basin 5000 to 6000 meter. The next one is a Fuji basin, located south of Fuji Island, between 10 degrees south to 32 degrees south. The average depth of the 4000 meter. The next one is the East Australian basin, which is located Australia and New Zealand areas. The Peru basin, southwestern Pacific basin. The picture we going to see that these are the ring of the fire picture, which is tell to us seismic activities and volcanic activities of the Pacific Oceanic basin. The ocean floor, it is a Pacific Ocean. Average depth is the 14,000 feet. It means 4,300 meter. It is largely deep sea plain area. The greatest known as of the Challenger Deep in the Mariana Trenches. The area where the showing the oceanic floor in western Pacific basin. The ocean deeps and trenches are mainly found in western Pacific Ocean because of the subduction of two convergent plates along the Benioff zone. The trenches of Pacific Ocean, as we see in the graph, our map, Korea, Taronga, Challenger, Marianas, Japan, Kurila, Aleutian. The trenches which their depth, likewise the Mariana 11 kilometers, Tonga 10 kilometers, Kurilas 10 kilometers. I said here 10 kilometer, but is meter. It means that 1000 meter equal to 1 meter. Therefore, Mariana is 11 meters. Tonga is 11 kilometer. Tonga is the 10 kilometer. Kurila is 10 also. Philippines 10 around. Japan 10 around 10. It little bit difference between the Iceland. So these are the basic deepest part of the world ocean, deepest location of the earth surface or the crust of the interior of the earth. It is a maximum depth of the 11 kilometers or 11,000 meters in earth surface. These are the references which I used to make this video. I hope you will get information about the Pacific Ocean, its topography, is really feature. Please share this video and get information about the